So if we know that buyers are controlling this market, and we want to see buyers reclaim control of the market after a pullback, but we have imbalance and we have an open demand down here, that creates a situation where we can actually look for a sell like this, right? Why? Because we understand what the market's doing. The market is drawing back towards an area where potential buyers can come in. But before those buyers are going to be happy to transact in mass, we need to see a discount price level met. So that creates a situation where, factoring this as kind of a internal trend instead, we see a shift which is likely to take us lower into the discount price before we start going higher. Okay, so grabbing our rectangle tool, we're going to look at this broad range here as a point of supply. So this is basically a sideways consolidating move before an impulse to the downside. We know that the market's going to be drawn lower, so we can potentially use this point to sell towards the discounted price range, where buyers may then step back in. So reading behind the candles here, what we're doing is basically taking advantage of buyer exhaustion. We know buyers want to be dominating this market, but they don't want to transact at these high prices. They want a discount. So the buyers are not going to be as strong here as the sellers will be, because the sellers are happily selling in this more premium price area before we reach a discounted price where buyers will see this as a good deal again and re-enter the market.